Let's go over question 5 from the test. Some antibiotics destroy disease-causing bacteria by entering bacterial cells and interfering with the critical life processes that keep them alive. However, antibiotics are not able to destroy viral infections because... Okay, so let's remember some things about viruses. Viruses are, I'm going to write some things down here. They're non-living. Remember that they have to have a host to survive and to metabolize nutrients. So they need a host. They can't reproduce on their own. They basically can't do, they can't do anything that regular cells can do. So remember that bacteria, that is a type of prokaryotic cell that is living. And so antibiotics are used to destroy the bacteria by interfering with their life processes. Well, viruses aren't alive, so we know that antibiotics won't work on something that is non-living. So let's look at our answer choices here. A says the wall surrounding a virus cannot be penetrated by the antibiotic chemicals. Okay, maybe, but that's not really what we're looking for. We want to know why antibiotics won't work on something that's non-living. So B says viruses are not cells, so they cannot perform processes that antibiotics normally disrupt. Well, we know that's true. They're not cells. They're non-living. They need a host. They can't reproduce on their own. So the answer here would probably be B, but let's go ahead and look at the last two answer choices. Viruses are constantly moving, so antibiotics cannot reach them. Well, that's not really something we know about viruses, so let's mark that out. And then D says antibiotics are destroyed by the protein coating that surrounds the viral DNA. Okay, well that's not really we can't assume that. They don't tell us that in the question, and that's not something you've learned. So the answer choice D can be marked out. You should have chosen B. Viruses are not cells, so they do not perform the processes that antibiotics normally disrupt.